guy on the altar. I do you in a bomb. In a bomb. You bet now as the wood see Papa here. Hey, my love.
Baby, how are you?
I'm fine, yourself.
I'm good.
Oh, yesterday I was coming there, but the rain stopped me.
Oh, really? Can I get your phone? I want to call my mom.
Why? Is it or something?
Yes, I want to call my mom. Like, she wants to send me money.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Hello, Mom. Yeah, please, can you send the money to this line? Yes, please. Okay, thank you, Mommy.
The name Opoku. Randy Opoku.
Mommy, sorry, please, the name is
Randy Opoku.
Randy Opoku Bilson. Okay, I'll be waiting. Thank you. Okay,
she's sending you money.
Yes, 2K.
Oh, okay, if it comes, then I'll tell you.
Okay.
Oh, why are you? You can. You need some money.
Yes, I'm not having anything on me, so
why didn't you tell me that I should give you some? Huh? You know, I have plenty money.
Sorry.
At least, how much do you? Oh, it has come.
Okay.
Oh, I want more papers and.
Ada.
Come on, from grant or so.
Sorry.
Oh, no problem, no problem. And then you're gonna minimum.
Oh, no. It's okay. I want you to keep it, so when I need money, you can give it to me.
Oh, baby, you're gonna minimum.
No, I want you to keep it. I like it when you give me money.
Baby, you melt my heart. This is what lovers do. This is how a lover speaks to a lover. You have shown me that you love me.
Yes, I love you. That's why I want
you. And baby, I love you too.
I
will love you to the end of time. Till my last breath, I will love you.
Okay.
So right now, have you eaten? Then let me collect it with this.
Okay. Baby, thank you. Can I call her?
That the money is come. Oh, okay.
Hello, Mommy. Okay, Mommy, thank you so much. Yeah. I'm safe. I'll be safe. Thank you. Bye.
Mama, that's a news cow.
We 1 month.
We 1 month. The within 1 month. Check 20 million. Okay. Check our mountain. Baby, any. Check me scale. Go me phone to cry doors and check fly and answer.
Okay, baby, I'll call you.
No problem, baby.
Bye-bye.
Just take care of yourself for me.
And
the money I've given to you, don't misuse it. Go and buy a food.
It's just to sit down.
Yes, I know, but use to buy a food and
eat.
Yes,
I'll buy food.
I don't want you to roam about and be starving.
Okay.
Okay. You know I love you.
I love you.
Give me a peck.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay. DB dating. We need to get neighbor trampana. I send me music. I will go my phone too. But see me keep it. When I need some, I'll come and collect it. There's a county yanum for you be na kaya trampana. Or send it by na cop. Obey, mamma checking away. About young cop by Momo met and when young couldn't or no, I bet you what is I know police come. Oh. Yeah, they tell trimpapa. Yam trimpana fun and pna about mum sole or no mum after all here time crown off rope time. Come on at time. O pescaco bonity crown off. O pescaco to crown off. Oh, and pna the old timpana, what poor be a 77 predators, cacra woofy. Metia 20 million of boom so 20 million. In your met dear baby dear. Let me pen a debay. Party. What's the Ampanature and watching? I
want to teach you, but I'm not in your class.
So teach me the subject verb agreement I've already taught you. So teach me.
Subject, verb, dear. Subject.
Try. Well, what
verb.
is it about? Do you even know what it's about?
Subject, verb.
Agreement.
Agreement. The subject, verb, agreement is the subtopic of everything. Maybe the beginning of the title. And agreement means like you understand. You understand?
You know, I taught you this, right?
The subject,
It
verb,
hasn't
agreement.
been long, and this is what you are saying.
Subject means.
Okay, you let me write a sentence there, then you put the word there for me. This is very basic.
Then you are not feeling well the way you are talking here. Yesterday you went somewhere. Do you have a boyfriend? You went there.
This is so simple. So this one, will you put is or are there?
There's time for everything. I'm asking you a question. You are
I
pretending.
didn't go anywhere. I said I wasn't well. I haven't been well for some time now. I've always been in the room.
Then why go to my father? My father you have protocol in my father. You can go. So you have been well for some. So you haven't been well. So you have been well for some times. Sick bay is there. My father, you have protocol. You have fever in my father's face. When you have been well, me too. I can service you.
I'll go there.
You can come to my place. I can service you.
Which service?
Huh?
What can you do to me?
Oh, service like maintenance.
Answer the question. This is so basic. Anyone can answer me the answer.
Kofi and Ama are dancing.
So this is subject verb agreement. This is the subject, and the verb is the are.
Sorry,
Why?
sorry, sorry.
Oh, don't
Get
do
up!
that.
Hey,
Why pompous?
Why?
hey, get up!
Why?
Hey,
Get up! What are you doing? The guy is asking you something. You are saying get up. Why get up?
Mind me, I'm talking to you. Why?
come, get up.
Mind me.
Huh?
Someone is
Why?
talking
What's
to you.
going on?
What is he doing here?
I always teach him. He's here for me to teach him.
Why are you teaching him?
Because his dad says I should.
His dad says.
And I feel like he's not so good, so I just have to help him.
Kanin, why didn't you tell me that you're teaching this thing?
Do I have to tell you?
You have to, yes. You have to.
I said teaching him before we even became a thing.
Who is she to you?
Then,
Why are you interpreting?
my friend, keep quiet over there. Stupid guy like you. Hey, Cunningham, don't entertain this guy. Don't entertain him.
Can you tell me why?
Don't you know him?
Can you please excuse us, please? We are learning, please. Please.
Ah.
What you are doing
No,
is...
Stop that. Why are you
No. You see how he's talking to me?
No, like you are disturbing us.
I am disturbing you.
Stop,
Yeah,
don't talk
you are
to me
disturbing
like
us.
that.
Who is he? Like, who is he to you? Like,
God, who am I?
yeah, because I know you were a senior. We are learning. Or you don't want to see a bit. We are learning. You come. You are distracting us. Like, are you a Satan or you are a devil for me? Like, hey, please.
Do you know I don't want to do him anything? It's because of you, Cunning. It's because of you. Because why should you teach him? Now what happened to me, Gerard?
My father is a nurse.
It's a nurse.
Yes.
So he can't teach you.
My father can't teach.
So how did he become?
Am I a teacher?
Huh?
Am I a teacher?
You are a student.
But I'm teaching.
But
So if your dad wants to teach you, he will teach you.
my dad offer science like nursing.
But he went to basic school too.
I know, but he do masters.
Look at what he's doing. Look at what he's doing. Oh, hey, yo. So when so comfort.
What you are
Hey,
saying?
listen to me. I cry be catch me saying it pen cry pencil. Look at me. My poor fucking.
Who is she to you? Who is she to you? The way you are
That's what
talking.
me catch you when he say if this girl come and complain to me that something is missing. Hey. You are dead, pencil. Salu, I cry be catch him saying bibi ira. Oh. What's it?
Have I stolen your thing before?
Me, I'm telling you, say me prompt you who say minim near way.
What you are saying is a false.
False what?
What they are saying on Shamiso.
Hey,
can you go?
My friend, keep quiet. Cannon, how are you? You look pale. Are you okay? My friend, keep quiet.
Are you?
Hey, are you okay?
You look pale, nearly.
Do you need anything? You don't need anything.
Are you the father?
Ah.
You are learning what you are doing. Are you okay? Are you pale? You look pale. Have you pale?
Hey, don't touch her. My friend, shut up. Connie, I'll be there, okay?
You like somebody that like, why are you doing this? On pale. You like him?
You are believing with him.
Yes. You believe him?
I'll come back later.
Now there's some no car wouldn't let you. Come with me. Let's go.
I'll come back later. Okay.
I'm already distracted.
Well, you should send the chair.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Oh boy, no.
Don't forget to send the chair, okay?
You are looking pale. Oh boy, no. Oh boy, where your boy? Wait. Yeah, the way your boy. Hey, you are looking pale. I don't see that. Kuraba. You are looking pale. I'm very distracting you. Don't give some commission anymore. You are looking pale. Michelle, make it's pretty. You are looking pale.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Please wait, I want to talk to you.
One girl.
You said me this person.
You call class, Anna.
No.
Can talk here. Alright.
Okay, Nancy, precious in that class.
Yeah, sure.
She's been acting strange, like Nancy, oh yeah, officer, why you weak? Like me, who they handle?
Which of the precious are you talking about?
You're precious.
Canning.
Our precious, yes.
Why then you offer?
Officer, who besides say you are never in so any officer, like she looks pale. I don't know. Ask me who ye.
Because I went to her class yesterday. She wasn't there. And I'm in Bisa more prefects no. Class prefects and I'll say then. She hasn't been coming to class. It's me imagine campus about. Where is she now?
She's inside.
Inside. See all this while on my class in or dormitory.
Inside. Officer, like why pale? More her.
Cunningham. Bibi Cronia, you should tell me. You tell me, say Bia. Bibi malaria, Bia, now say Bia, Bibi. One can be
You say malaria, or say.
I didn't ban a modemano. I didn't do an modemano.
Midway, dear.
Would you be a sophie?
On the temple, on me, did say so status of you, and to me crying the dear.
At the mob, Mamma.
No, not yet.
Okay. And the school authorities are there?
No.
Good. That's good. You know, me call class, right? Right after class, me pay Drew be abana ode amana mama. Why?
It drew.
Hey.
It drew me.
So I say malaria. Oh, you know, I was saying.
No, malaria. So we doctor. Who commanded you to see a trigger baby? I was on betrayal.
So what do you suggest?
Me person wants to try me bisano.
No, your doctor.
You so no near doctor. But we say maybe a minimum person be maybe I would be true.
I see. Well, Mate, thank you very much for the update. It's in my phone class. I remember na what friend am I? Why?
Okay.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya.
Venice.
Come on.
I said, Nancy, who don't want to see me, Venice?
And you meow.
You want your papa?
My busy sound, say baby, steady sound. This young dear son. No,
Tom. But it's not a process.
no, this young question.
Be a connice, you know, said, what's up?
Nothing really. Yeah, just
Come do.
Oh, me okay. No, sitting.
When I make show, Venice. When I make show.
Sir.
When I make show.
It's not for me.
That's my friend. So say, when I like to meet me, can't I call you?
That's me.
But mama, then you come.
Nancy, headmaster, Nancy. Oh, ha no wa framing person samba bag biom ni ade.
Headmaster person.
So person samba bag.
What flow?
No bo team.
Na headmaster team go encourage you am down o tietiem say ade. That's why the last time he called me and he was trying to advise me, say, me stay away from you and stuff. Until we walk out there in a chair.
Maybe make a train is say you matime dream ho.
Okay, but repeat.
They say make a train is say I'll think about it.
Dennis. Who bought 2 teams to square? No, I don't understand. I don't get it. Like, win or draw, it be okay, mommy boy. No, Dennis. What do you know?
Ade mama ndwen ho.
Oh, do you know what Dennis? Do you know? Aye, what do you know? What do you know?
Come on.
What do you know? Oh, do you know? Me know them, Dennis. Me know them. What's the one do you know? There's always some here. I just say any more ha, me boy. Any more ha, and now. Need that. Come on.
Oh, come on.
I'm in Penquan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso and Maya. Me, person me come any monster, Jamaya. Oh, Lord.
Come on from me. You're not well. What's wrong? Like, what's wrong? What do you mean by you're not well?
I've been feeling cold, then sometimes I'll feel hot. Then I want to vomit. Then my stomach will be hurting. Then my head will be aching. It's like there are so many things happening to me. Sometimes when I smell food, then I'll be nauseous. Even foods that I like.
Have you gone to the hospital? No. Why?
It hasn't reached there yet. When it gets serious,
When it gets serious? Precious. When it gets serious? Look at how you're looking. You think it's not serious? Do you like this? Huh? Hey, do you like this? So you've not eaten since morning? You don't feel like eating? You know, listen, maybe the food is not nice. I can get you nice food.
I always eat that watch, and then now when I smell it, then I feel like vomiting.
You feel like vomiting? Do you feel like vomiting or you vomit?
I feel like vomiting and sometimes I vomit.
Do you have bad dreams? Yeah, I'm sure it's not a spiritual attack, right?
I don't know.
You don't know? It should be. You know, if it was a spiritual attack, I would have introduced you to my godfather. You know.
Who is your godfather?
You don't know him.
No, me, I've been taking food.
Fruit.
So yeah, bring me food.
Oh my precious. Listen, I can get you anything you want. But the thing is, listen, I want to take you to the hospital. Precious, we need to know what's wrong with you.
Not now.
No, hey.
Okay, if by next 3 days I'm not well, then we'll go to the hospital.
Listen, Precious, I don't want the school authorities to step in. You understand? We have to go before they realize that something is not right. And mind you, don't go to Jacob Salu for any medication. Do not go to Jacob Salu for any medication, Precious. Even if she hears and come here, tell him you are not sick, you are fine. Eh?
I can go for some para or stomach medicine.
Don't go to him for anything. You say you're going for para. What is para? Para need you. That I don't want that man to even hear that you're not feeling well. Can him?
It's not that.
I've not said anything.
Stop that.
Go.
So who told you that I was not well?
Santua. And you see, my problem is, why didn't you tell me, Precious? I've not been hearing from you. I even thought you were home. I thought you've gone home. Not knowing you are there. It was Santua that told me that you
I'll get better.
Hey, God.
I'll be serious.
Yeah, okay. So I'll get you the medicine,
But
okay?
you didn't bring me anything.
I want to come to see you first. What do you want?
I want fruits.
What?
Apples and watermelon and I want
You don't even know what you want.
Coconut.
You just feel like eating anything. That's how sometimes you feel. Hey, God,
You see those small fruits?
Which fruit?
Like cocoa toto.
Cocoa is not fruit, Precious.
I said food. Bayra toto.
God, please. Don't worry, I'll get it for you, okay? But please, don't tell anybody.
Okay.
Tatiana, wife, Papa.
Yes.
I didn't feel that and then I know the drive.
I don't know.
Yeah. Why you feel?
Yes.
Hey, I'm bizarre. See, Okufi, when I boy for Frana, our boy with Fiana. Because I don't want to that's a bema for Frana, show my wife. Why I don't know?
Opoku. I don't even send a medicine.
Hey, and I want to know Opoku for the Opoku was an Opoku Buffy.
Opoku doesn't know him now, why view?
Opoku.
Opoku.
Opoku school more.
I don't even send medicine.
That be 7 minutes and I'll date in a bat. Now, what you know, Mokasa?
Debia Casa, Debia.
No Poku Casa. Emma, you're 3 months soon, Tatiana.
What did they say?
No Poku Casa like Mokasa say. Laves.
Debia Casa.
Hey.
You shisham doing.
Hey, boy, say wicked, and a mamma, you knew.
Say, then.
Maybe.
You know,
Nana saying more about 1 month in the
Debia Casa.
Ya, Mamma Sin Yana, Yana, Jumbonia, Bamma, and Trino.
Need the major.
Now, you Poku, you know. Any
wedding.
Tio, Tatiana, you know Poku. A date more no Poku Bonibia.
Some almost open the wedding me bonny.
Intiana, now Sonia and she.
Meeting will be a Madonna.
And a memory Ricky do.
No.
Hey! I say we quite a mechanism.
Some way.
Hey, gay. Yes, I gay. No, gay be not tiny and now. Time now won't go for not tiny and I may move for me. Oh, yeah, I'm for
Lucci.
Lucci, send on in
Girl Tintin. Opoku then only Debbie counts Lucci no Opoku. I don't know her.
Opoku and
Lucci.
What does our soul Tatiana? Eh? Opoku and Lucci. What does our soul? Eh? Me and my pet number, Sammy. Yeah, number. Me say, Tatiana, the judge say, meet me for Opoku no Cotina baby. So Opoku. The way and all the catcher, Tatiana said only the chat. Again, and tears, and son, why do baby? But also, again, no. I was a day fagin, which is in a bear or bet city and what high hat. Let me to Opoku for some, not one job is in it, mammy. Tatiana, can't be dear because, like school man, no innocent girls, no one on per one sem. You 2 are okay. We are one on swear.
Miss Assembly. When you yourself, 7 say Opoku line.
Me say when?
Maybe now.
Oh, Tatiana. Me dey me nya o dey anka me but we me nya keto.
Maybe you will say no keke. So maybe we say me ne be say maybe we say what about she ho because Opoku ni luchi dey ye den.
You say what about so say no Tatiana ye me nya keto. We kete kra we ne me nya be do di mechi be 4 na yeke. And the man say the Opoku ye no me tunu for kra me te wona me tunu for me kasa then you so ina ta me. Inti tiu. Oso woni Opoku boni bia.
Me den Opoku boni.
The Opoku ni guy ni ye wo school man Tatiana. Me no kra na on. Me no kra na ka woni. Nka me nko bi so Opoku hwe. Opa eno ano no like. Jenema kan gidi me bisa na hwe. Woni ne nya aka. Men kasa no nko bisa na hwe. Eno ano no. Ohu a tata jiwani. Nko bisa nchechire mu bia.
Me bisa no.
Tatiana ti.
So me timi jani because me don't want me bisa nchechire mu.
No videos, no evidence.
Fachira me.
Say you baba press over campus. Me the better Tatiana me say Opoku.
Me who's na nya no credit me fa on kasa bio.
Opoku Tatiana who defend the boy no. Who defend the boy no.
Be say you be intimi class from Hana won shida engine design.
Who dey win kwa dey Jimmy D once. Who dey who boy na nya aka. Ti when one could be something.
Me no so kasa ni ahwese me bi morning chain obetimi.
Ti uno ko kasa na be kasa style.
Me mani hu nti me hwese bi morning chain obetimi afre Lucia na say bi. Ge on obetimi afre na oje mo say.
Fa say me Opoku nti we share me yan kasa. Nti me yen yesa nti me Opoku. Tatiana, oba da ben.
Passing from so konra Adam's catch me so oni.
Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me pesa me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Am I smiling? Don't touch me. Am I smiling?
What's wrong?
Why did you go and tell Aroma about my situation?
And what's wrong with that?
Did I ask you to do that?
No, come on, Precious. I don't see anything wrong with this.
But did I ask you to do that?
No, you didn't.
You can't just be inside people's businesses. I am not feeling well, right? And you saw it. I didn't even tell you. You ended up seeing it and I told you that, oh, I'm not feeling well. Why do you have to go ahead and tell someone else?
Precious.
You have not been asked to do something. There is no need to do it if you've not been asked.
Why are you being rude to me?
I'm not being rude. I'm just being serious and I'm being for real. You should know when to do something, when to say something. You're the one who told me that there are some things that I shouldn't get myself into. Why are you also getting yourself into my business?
Auntie, we are na me Aroma no eno bibi.
Aroma then. If I'm not feeling well, what should Aroma come and do?
Precious. Are you the one talking?
Obviously. What I'm saying makes sense. Why do you always think you're right? I'm telling you something. It's my business. And I'm letting you know that I really have a problem with what you did. So just own up to it and apologize instead of you getting back and forth with me.
I should apologize?
Yes.
For what?
Because you are trying to get into my business. Why do you have to go and tell my boyfriend about my sickness?
I'm the bad guy, right?
Yes. Why do you have to do that? What if I didn't want to tell him? What if I didn't want anyone to be aware?
No wahala. I'm sorry for being concerned. Like me say madam for no yare. And me catch your guy so yare. I don't know what's wrong with it.
If I am not well, right, and I want my guy to be aware, I will tell him. Why do you have to be the one to tell him?
Okay.
No, why do you have to be the one to tell him? If you are not well, will I go and call your guy and tell him that you are not well? No. You have to tell him yourself. So if I've not told him, who gives you the right to tell him?
I'm sorry. Okay?
You better
I'm very sorry.
Sure.
But I better ask him. I better ask him. Why? So me can ask him. Me in Paboni ni mebwa. Me can ask him me in Paboni ni mebwa. Don't worry. Better ask him. Why? I better ask him.
Instead of you to apologize to me, see what you're telling me.
Hey, remember.
Yes.